Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to pay with Affirm on American Airlines. This is a fantastic option if you want to split your flight payment into manageable installments rather than paying everything up front. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to complete your flight booking as usual until you reach the review and pay stage. This is the final screen where you confirm all your flight details before making the payment. Take a moment to double-check your travel dates and passenger information to ensure everything is correct before moving forward. Once you're on this page, look for the section labeled Payment Information. This is where American Airlines gives you different options for how you'd like to complete your purchase. You'll see various payment methods available, including credit cards and debit cards. Now select the option that says Buy Now, Pay Later with Affirm. This option allows you to finance your flight and break down the cost into smaller payments. It's a great alternative if you prefer not to pay the full amount immediately. After selecting this option, click the button that says Pay with Affirm. This will initiate the connection between American Airlines and your Affirm account, allowing you to proceed with the financing process. At this point, the system will redirect you to Affirm's platform where you'll need to log in. You'll be prompted to insert your mobile number, so go ahead and type it in. Once you've entered it, click Continue. Alternatively, if you have a passkey set up for faster login, you can choose to log in with that instead. This step verifies your identity and connects your Affirm account to complete the transaction. Next, you'll see different payment plan options available to you. For example, you might see 4 interest-free payments spread over several weeks, or monthly payment plans with varying terms. Take a moment to review these options and select the one that best fits your budget and preferences. Once you've chosen your preferred payment plan, click Agree and Continue. This confirms your selection and processes the payment through Affirm. After this step completes, your booking will be confirmed with American Airlines, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly after. This email will contain all your flight details and payment information. And that's it. You've successfully booked your American Airlines flight and set up a payment plan through Affirm, making your travel more affordable and flexible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.